Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AutoCAD crashing on startup in 2026. If AutoCAD closes immediately after launching or crashes before the workspace loads, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, restart your computer and try opening AutoCAD again. This can clear temporary system issues that may be preventing the program from starting correctly. Next, right-click the AutoCAD shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Running the application with administrator permissions can resolve startup problems caused by restricted access. Now open Autodesk Access and check for available updates. Install the latest updates for both AutoCAD and the Autodesk licensing service, then restart your computer. If AutoCAD still crashes, reset the program to its default settings using the Reset Settings to Default shortcut found in the Windows Start menu. This removes corrupted configuration files without reinstalling the software. Next, update your graphics driver to the latest version from your graphics card manufacturer's website. Outdated or incompatible drivers are a common cause of startup crashes. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and test AutoCAD again. If the application opens normally, add AutoCAD to your antivirus exceptions before re-enabling protection. Finally, if the issue continues, repair the AutoCAD installation through Windows App Settings or perform a clean reinstall using the latest installer from the official Autodesk website. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to fix AutoCAD crashing on startup step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AutoCAD